Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Choppy Mama. Today you will see a very quick recipe to make mixed vegetable soup. The best way to introduce vegetables is to start with vegetable soups. The water content in the soup compensates for the liquid intake needed by your child's body. Soups made of vegetables, pulses, or legumes are enriched with minerals, calcium, proteins, and carbohydrates required for healthy growth of your baby. Soups provide relief from cold, cough, chest congestion, and fever. Soups spiced with garlic, peppers, and turmeric help in treating cough and even digestive disorders. If your baby has not yet mastered the art of chewing food or does not have their set of teeth fully developed, then soups are the best way to flush down vegetables into their tummy.